Meron lang po akong na-observe kanina. Nagsisenyasan na naman si Honorable Fernandez at saka si Madam Cassandra Ong. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ganon. Sabi naman ni Madam Cassandra Ong, ganon. Tapos gusto pa niyang kunin yung aking sandwich, ibibigay doon kay Madam Cassandra Ong. Sabi ko, bakit isa lang bibigyan mo? So, binigyan din niya si Madam Alice Go ng sandwich. Sabi ko naman, baka magselos si Mayor Dong Kalugay. Pumunta ako doon sa kitchen, pakibigyan nyo nga ng sandwich si Mayor Kalugay kasi baka magselos.
Thank you, Congresswoman Sansing. And finally, it's the turn of Congressman Dan Fernandez. You have 2 minutes. And 2 hours.
Yeah, waited so long. Anyway, actually, I have 60 slides pero bawasan na natin, gabi na. Kaya na sa mga resource persons natin. Lalo na kayo. Pakilagay yun ng page 5. Please. Yes, so, si Michael yan, dumating sa atin, April 16, 2000, on board si X919 as a temporary visitor. Nung next year naman, si Yang Jian Sin, si Mr. Tony Yang, arrived on June 12, 2001. Sakay ng PR-335. Kasama niya yung kanyang kapatid na si Yang Hongjiang. At na-issue siya ng SRRB Special Residence Retiree Visa noong November 6. Isipin nyo, November 6, 2007, inissuehan siya ng Special Resident Retirees Visa. Ilan taon siya ng 2007? Miss PBB.
请问这个2007年你的年龄多大了
？2007年我1970年出生的。
你的年龄多大
？70、80、90。
37 years old. O sige, okay na.
30.
Okay na ka, Carol. 37 na kwenta ko na.
37
1970 siya. He was born 1970, di ba?
Yeah, 你是1970年。
34 nung siya ay inisyuhan ng
37年
70. 1970 siya, 37.
Yes, 37.
So we really need to amend this sa ating pong sino ba nag-i-issue ng SRRB? PRA? PRA, Philippine Retirement Authority. No, PRA, retirement Di ba? Okay, next. Para mabilis na to. Punta tayo doon sa, kasi na-establish na naman natin siya, no? Yung pagiging Chinese niya, tapos Pilipino naman yung ginagamit niya mga government identification. So sa page 10, makita natin dyan, ano mo nga, nung November 6, 2007, Mr. Tony Yang, na-blacklist po kayo. Can you kindly ask, Carol, blacklisted siya noong 2006. Is that correct?
2006 or 7? 2006 or 7?
2006.
Okay，请问这个2006年你是被那个移民局被拉黑吗？
Yes or no, Mr. Tony Yang? Blacklisted kayo 2006? Yes or no?
2006年被拉黑吗？
我没有印象啊，没有印象被拉黑。
I have no idea that I have been blacklisted.
Bureau of Immigration. Paki-check nyo yan. Ano muna, Zoom. He was blacklisted for holding a fake visa. And noong bumalik siya dito noong 2007, his blacklist order was lifted. Why? Tanong natin sa immigration. Bakit na-lift yung blacklist niya?
I don't have the copy with me here, Your Honor, but the subject probably complied with whatever deficiency that he had during that time.
Okay, thank you so much. Punta tayo sa page 12. Page 12, Mr. Tony Yang, during your interpellation doon po sa Senado, you may mention a name, a certain name na kaibigan mo. Ang sabi mo is, kaibigan ko si Mr. C. Correct? Naalala mo, Mr. Tony Yang, na sinabi mo sa Senado, kaibigan mo si C. Mr. C.
你有记得你在参议院说出的那个叫小喜的朋友吗？
有啊，小喜啊，有
是你的朋友。
Siya ba si,
小喜是吧？
what is the name of that C? Mr. C.
他叫什么？这个小喜你知道吗？
小喜是不是在三家公司的那个小喜？
he's the 小喜 or the C from the Sanjia company。
Siya ba si Tony C?
他也叫 Tony C 吗？
Tony C， 那不，他不是叫 Tony C， 那个小史是我知道他的姓，因为中国都称呼姓嘛。
Okay.
小史啦。
Sige, ang haba. So, andito naman sa iyong LTO, sa driver's license mo, yung application mo, sinasabi mo na meron kang kaibigan na Mr. Tony C. So, you remember putting his name?
你还记得你在这个驾驶照有写上那个 Tony C 的名字吗？
我记不清楚。
I
Anyway,
could not remember clearly.
Okay, you put it in your application but hindi mo siya natatandaan. Page ano na yun? Page 18. Dito makikita natin lahat ng company mo, Mr. Tony Yang. So you have like 7 companies under the SEC and 9 companies under DTI. Is this correct? Yes or no lang?
你看这个表里面，你在这个有7个注册的公司，然后你也有9个就是在交易部门的公司，你能确认吗？
Yes or no?
英文我不
Lahat sa iyo yan.
I could not understand the English here.
Okay. Ayan, no? Chinese naman siya. Yes and pa. Yes and pa.
杨子公司，
Yangtze.
杨子公司
New Hope Floor. Miss Orsan. Golden City. Sanjia. It's all yours, right?
都是你的公司吧？有三甲，还有杨子，还有Cagayan。
O, pakita ko na lang yung ano. Pakita mo yung 819. Picture na lang para makita niya. Picture. 19. Page 19.
红姐那个很早的了。
The Hongcheck is a very early company already.
138 is yours. AGL is yours. Mr. Tony, huwag mo na tingnan yan. Wala na yan.
这个138也是你的
So
吗
138 is yours.
不是138。
AGL.
No, it's not. AGL.
不是。
Page 22. Meron ba kayong magkakasama ng, Carol, can you kindly tell him about a company that you, Michael Yang, and Hongjing Yang, and Mr. Tony Yang are all together in one company? Meron ba silang company na magkakasama silang tatlo? Kasi kanina sinabi niya, wala eh. So wala silang financial transaction with his 2 brothers, no? So I'm asking him, meron ba silang magkakasamang tatlong magkakapatid sa isang kumpanya?
有没有跟你的弟弟 Michael 还有那个杨红景跟他们一起开的企业吗？
没有，我没跟他们开企业。
No, I don't have any company together
Okay,
with
ayan,
them.
sige. I-ano natin, i-move ano mo. Mr. Tony Yang, you are lying. You are lying. Nagsisinungaling ka. Sige, sumo nga yung yung kanilang company, Yesenfa Development Corporation. At pakikita ko kung saan yung company na yan. Ayan. Ayan. You are all together in one company, Yang Hongjiang, Yang Hongming, and Mr. Antonio Lim.
什么12对的？
Oh,
When was this?
2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. The Yesenfa Development Corporation, wait, ako pa tinanong mo ngayon, ha? Sandali. Parang ako, tinatanong ko lang, kung meron siyang company ganyan, hindi ko tinatanong kung kailan. No matter what, basta nasa SEC yan, registered under his name, and his signature appears on that, Carol.
然后这个最主要就是已经注册的公司，然后你的名字也在里面，所以我们想要确认你是否跟他们两个，你两个兄弟有跟他们一起开的企业吗？
没有没有，我们跟他们两个开企业。
So I never had a company with the two of them.
Amla, can you kindly, asan ang Amla? Amla, can you kindly tell us kung meron kayo nakita ng transaction between Mr. Tony Ang and together with the two siblings? Yung kay Hong Ming Yang and Hong Jiang Yang.
Sir, Your Honor, I beg your indulgence. Under Section 8A of the Anti-Money Laundering Act, we are prohibited from disclosing any information that we have acquired in the course of the performance of our function, Your Honor.
Okay, and that's the reason why we need to amend. Alam nyo, pati ang AMLA nadadamay sa mga kalokohang to eh. Sa totoo lang. Yung mga ganitong klaseng kalalaking pera, no? Na dapat nanonotify na ang government. Di ba? Ang daming malalaking pera eh, na nakita namin eh. Pero these are not all reported. Why? We don't know. Pero we need to amend yung sa AMLA. Anyway, punta tayo sa page 27. Ito, hindi na makakapag-deny dito si Tony Yang. Mr. Tony Yang, stop lying, ha? Stop lying. Last mo na yan. Huli na. Kapag nagsinungaling ka pa, we will be citing you in contempt. Believe me. Okay?
请不要说谎。
不会不会，我不会说谎。
I will not lie.
Ha?
I will not lie.
Please po. Maki-cooperate na po kayo.
求求您了。
Okay.
我今天没
Next, next ano? Okay. Yan, Mr. Tony Yang. That is yours. Misamis Oriental Sand and Gravel Corporation. You have a company beside your own company doon po sa Sanjia which is located under the PBDEC. Correct? Yes or no?
这个就是Misamis Oriental 有这个沙子的公司，还有旁边就是你这个三甲的公司，这个三甲就是在 PBDEC 里面是吧？
是
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, nireclaim mo ba ang property? Kumuha ka ba? Tanong mo.
有没有获得这个土地呢？有没有获得这个土地 ？Reclaim the property.
Reclaim. Kumuha ka ba ng permit sa PPA?
你从 PPA 获得这个许可证吗
有，
Meron?
？Yes.
Are you sure?
确定吗？
确定。
Submit to this committee that permit that you were able to get from PPA. And we'll be asking also the PPA to be present in the next hearing.
OK， 请把这个文件
Reclamation.
发给他们，关于这个 PPA 的许可。
Ay, yeah, pala. Philippine Reclamation Authority pala. PRA. Did you get a permit from PRA?
你从那个 PRA 有没有获得许可证呢？就是要获得这个土地的许可证，要开发这个土地的许可证。
有啊
有
，PPT 里面的那个许可证有啊。
You are under oath. You under oath.
He is mentioning about the PPT permit.
PPP.
PPT.
PPT 吧
PPT.
Philippine.
就是开发区吧，菲律宾那个
PPT 这个吗
PPT
T
PPT 哦 PPT 吧 PPT。
PPT. It's PPDEC, PBDEC. It's a
No,
PBDEC.
okay, sa PBDEC. Andiyan sa PBDEC natin. Can you kindly, during that time, sino ang head ng PBDEC?
那个时候 PBDEC 的他们的主人是谁？
Lavinia or Quintana?
那个
Quijana.
Lavinia 还有
Sino daw? Quijana or Lavinia? Quijano or Lavinia?
Lavinia 还是 Quijano？
当时好像是基亚诺，
Quijano. Mr.
Oh,
Quijano.
si Quijano.
Administrator Quijano. Please sit on the Attorney Franklin Quijano. The company is Misamis Oriental Sand and Gravel Corporation. Beside his own company, the Sandia. Mr. Quijano, did they apply for a permit from PBDEG? Is
Your
this a part
Honors.
of PBDEG, attorney?
Your Honors, the whole 3,000 hectare property is part of PVDEC, and PVDEC includes 400 meters away from the shoreline. And therefore, that area, Your Honor, is part of PVDEC. Unfortunately, Your Honor, during my watch, I never issued any permit with any sand and gravel operator.
Okay. Mr. Tony Yang, ang sabi ni Attorney Quijano, no permit.
你弄北北了。
他说那个Quijano 律师说你没有获得这个许可证，在 FIBIDEC 的许可证。
No permit.
有啊，我们那里面是给他们租的啊，是给 PPT 里面租的啊。
Okay, so I was renting at FIBIDEC. So
Hindi, iba ang renting, iba ang permit. In renting, Mr. Tony Yang, iba yung pag-upa, iba yung permit na ibibigay sa'yo. So kanina, Mr. Tony Yang, you were telling us that you secured the permit from PBDEG. Di ba? Sinabi mo. Ang sabi naman ni Attorney Quijano, wala kang kinukuha permit. So sino nagsisinungaling sa kanilang dalawa?
因为你刚才有说过，你有获得这个 FIBIDEC 的许可证，对吧？
反正我们那片地就是给开发区租的啊，那个其他的都是我对这个也不懂，都是我们公司那个环艺东海。
Okay, while they're discussing, Attorney Quijana, there's no public hearing from the LGU on the operation of this corporation. No public hearing, no approval of DNR, no approval of the BOI.
As far as sand and gravel permits are concerned, Your Honor, FIBIDEC made it a point not to issue any sand and gravel permit to anyone.
Ba't hindi natin to pinasara during your time?
However, Your Honor, the local government unit and the province of Misamis Oriental is the one having jurisdiction over the issuance of sand and gravel permits, Your Honor.
No. You were telling us a while ago that this is under your jurisdiction.
Well,
this is a part of the Philippine PBDEC, the Philippine what do you call it? Authority. What's that?
Philippine Veterans Investment
Yes.
Development Corporation.
So, being a part of the of your jurisdiction, you have the power to close it.
Your Honor,
If they haven't
unfortunately-
done any permit coming from you.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, there's an overlap.
What overlap?
In the case of the issuance of sand and gravel permits, the local government unit claims that they are the ones who are empowered to issue permits.
But you know the authority. Why did you not
Your-
fight
Your
over
Honor,
it?
this is in fact one of the gaps because FIBIDEC is located within two municipalities, Taguluan and Villanueva, Your Honor. And it is for this reason that this representation was demanding from our engineering office to define thoroughly the river system, Your Honor, because we were worried that there is overdrawing of sand and that the embankments are endangered because of the permits that are being issued by the local government unit.
So while the two municipalities are fighting over who have the jurisdiction over this operation, the operator continue to operate. Is that what you are trying to tell us?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, yes, but not just this corporation we are referring to. There are also operators upstream who were drawing sand and gravel from the
Who have
river.
the same case?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what did you do?
Well, Your Honor, this is an issue of conflicts of law because even as we say that FIBIDEC, which is one of the first ecozone created through Presidential Decree 538, the subsequent passage of the local government code tended to create that conflict, Your Honor.
Anyway, we haven't read yet the power that was given to your authority but we will. And we will continue the discussion about this, given the time that we will be able to be knowledgeable about it. Anyway, we'll go to the next page, 28. So we'll be inviting over also the DNR, the BOI, and the LGU, and the PRA for this matter. Mr. Tony Yang, nag-ooperate pa siya hanggang ngayon?
请问现在还在继续运营吗？这个公司
有啊，
？Yes, it's still continuously operating.
May mga nababayaran dito. Okay, page 28. Pakita natin yung ito yung operation nila. Na hanggang ngayon nag-ooperate pa without any permits, without any public hearing, to the detriment of those people who are living there. Yan. Okay, next page. Mr. Antonio Lim, dito sa inyong corporation na to, meron kayong isang kasosyo na ang pangalan ay Mr. Ricky Go. You know Mr. Ricky Go?
这边有说有一个股东叫做 Ricky Go， 你认识这个 Ricky Go 吗？
有啊，认识啊。
Yes, I know him.
Yes, Ricky Go. Pidea, can I ask Pidea about this certain Ricky Go? Pidea, we heard that there's an allegation that this guy is involved in illegal drugs. Is this true?
Your Honor, he is a person of interest, and we would like to request that we would just like to request to submit a report instead, so as not to compromise the operations ongoing.
I understand. Okay. One, Mr. Tony Yang. This person, Mr. Ricky Go, is a person of interest of the PIDEA. I'm telling you, ha? Okay. Philippine Sangia Steel Corporation. Ito po ang Philippine Sangia Corporation. Ito pong Sangia Corporation ay under din ng PBDEC. Pakikita nga yung yung picture. And that is the facility noong Steel Corporation. And they have their own port, no? At yung kalapit, makikita nyo yung steel, yung kanilang sand and gravel. Meron din silang maliit na port doon. Pero dito, medyo malaki na yung port nila. And there are some instances that the PBDEC was able to what do you call that? Yes, they monitor a illegal transshipment of rice smuggling and drug smuggling. In a bit, we will be talking about it. But first, this area of 22.7 hectares is being leased by Mr. Tony Yang doon po sa PBDEC for a price of 30 pesos per square meter in an acceleration amount that runs up to 25 years. Is this correct, Mr. Yang? 25 years ang kontrata mo sa PBDEC.
请问这是对吗？你跟 PBDEC 的合同就是25年。
对啊，对啊，25年。
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sunod na slide tayo. So yan ang loob ng Steel Corporation. Okay? And allegedly, and no, not allegedly, but this is an operation of their steel manufacturing company that transship those metals going to that port. But in a little while, we'll be discussing why they put that place in a commercial port. So, ngayon, ito pong Mr. Yang, itong dalawang building na to, na nakikita natin, yung kulay gray, ano po yan?
The two gray building.
Two buildings.
Okay, 请问这两栋楼他们是做什么的？
一栋楼是一楼办公，二楼、三楼是那个管理人员的住宿。
管理人员的住宿。
哦
Okay, so the first floor here is the office. Okay, and the second and third floor are the dormitory for the management officers.
How about the employees? How many employees do you have?
那一共有几个员工呢？
那个我就不大清楚了，就是另外那一栋哦， 另外那一栋是在三
How many
家
Chinese lang ang tinatanong ko? Ang haba ng sinasabi.
I'm not sure about how many they are.
What? Mr. Tony Yang, nagsisinungaling ka na naman eh. Ikaw yung may-ari ng ikaw may-ari nung Sanjia Steel Corporation. As a matter of fact, pag titingnan mo, sige, punta tayo sa susunod na slide. Pakita ko sa iyo kung ilang percentage ang pag-aari mo dyan. Sunod na slide. Hindi. Ayan. Mr. Tony Yang, ikaw si Antonio Lim, 35% yung sa una. At dito sa huli na Chinese, An Jianxin, that is you. Jianxin. Jianxin Yang.
他说什么？
That's you, correct?
最后那个杨坚新一样，也就是你对吧
对啊。
？Yes, that's
Oh,
me.
that's you also. So imagine,
安东尼林是我那个菲律宾名字吧？
you have a 40% as a Chinese Jianxin Metallurgical company, which is yours, and Antonio Lip with his 35%. 75% ang pag-aari mo dyan. Tapos sabihin mo sa amin, hindi mo alam kung ilang Chinese na nandun.
因为你看前面这个有这个 Antonio Lim， 就是你的菲律宾名字对吧？他就是占35%，然后那个中文名字那个杨建新，他是占40%，所以你一共有这个75%。
你以为里面东西我就安东尼林的30倍新杨建新。
Alright. Sige. Antonio Lim, we are telling you, ang dami mo ng pagsisinungaling dito. Ha? Last na to. Pag hindi ka pa nagsabi ng totoo, we will be citing you in contempt. Page 37. Is that your place?
这是你的公司吗？你是工
对，
厂
这个我的仓库。
？Yes, this is my warehouse.
Ikaw may-ari niyan.
对。
Paano ka nagkaroon ng may-ari niyan? Hindi ka naman Pilipino.
那你如何有这个地产呢？因为你不是菲律宾人啊。
因为我刚才就有说了，我来这边的时候，我爷爷就是有给我办一个菲律宾籍吧，叫安东尼林嘛，我就用安东尼林的，就是申请，就做这个营业执照跟这个买地开仓库啊。
Okay, so I use my Philippine birth certificate with the name Antonio Lim to be able to have this business permit and also to buy this piece of property.
Unbelievable. Okay, yung susunod natin, ito yung po nga kanilang ito po yung kanilang corporation, yung New Hope Flour Milling Corporation. Is that your house? Sige, go. Is that your house, Tony Lim?
这是你住的地方吗
对，我住的地方。
Yes.
？Yes.
LRA, andito pa ang LRA. We'll be tasking the LRA to find out all the properties under the name of Antonio Maestrado Lim. Please submit it to us. Comsec, kung walang LRA, please ask them to submit it to us in the next hearing. Next page. Dito po, Mr. Chairman, pakita po natin that yung involvement ng mga drug personality doon sa kanyang kumpanya na New Hope Flour Milling Corporation. Next na tayo dyan. Huwag na yan. Yan. Oh, no. Balik tayo doon sa GIS. GIS, one more. Hindi, no. GIS. Balik. Page 38. Page 38, please. Mr. Tony Yang, doon sa New Hope Flour Milling Corporation, meron kang kasosyong Alan Lim, a.k.a. Wenxiong Lim.
请问在这个面轮公司，就是 New Hope 的公司，你有没有跟 Alan Lim 做股东呢？
Alan Lim
是林伟雄。
没有。
Wala na naman. Last na talaga to. I'll be citing you in contempt, Mr. Tony Yang.
他 说什么？
如果你不说真相，他会再告你。
现在没有。
May kasosyo ka bang Alan Lim?
有没有
Doon
一
sa
个
New Hope Flour Milling Corporation.
有没有
Who
一
is
个
Wen
叫
Xiong Lim?
Alan Lim 韦兄林的股东呢？
没有没有没有。
那
Wala. O yan, pakita natin. Mr. Chairman, I'll be citing this person in contempt. Many times that he lied. Ang liwanag na maliwanag sa GIS, dyan sa corporation mo, sa Milling Corporation, Rice Milling Corporation, ayan si Alan Lim, kasosyo mo. Now you see?
No, Alan Lim.
Mr. Chairman,
Before that, maybe
Mr. Chairman, there are two personalities, drug personalities, that I mentioned that are included in the as incorporator of the two companies. And he lied twice. Alan Lim and Ricky Go, who are involved in drugs. Now, in front of us, he is lying. So, I think, Mr. Chairman, it's high time that we have given this guy a chance that we cite him in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
Before we cite him in contempt, Mr. Yang, Tony Yang, tanungin mo yung lawyer mo.
问你的律师，
And counsel, can you advise him?
要劝他。
Can you please tell him that his name is in the GIS of the corporation mentioned?
你的名字就是这个公司里面那个资料里面，还有那个阿曼林他们的名字也在这个文件里面，那个资料里面，所以你没办法说这个不是你的股东，因为在他们的公司里面有吗？你有没有看到这个文件呢？
我没看过这个文件。
你是跟他们是股东吗？这个阿曼林还有律师过，因为根据这个文件，他们说你是跟阿曼林跟李皮哥是一起的做股东的。
李继哥，我有跟他沙场有股东，但是阿兰林这个谁我不知道啊。因为这个电文厂以前是。
Chairman, I'll proceed muna para mabilis tayo, no? Habang sila nag-uusap ng lawyer nila.
Sige,
I'll go
please
sa
proceed.
I'll go sa page 56. 56.
跟阿拉林是